This is what we're building toward: your Flutter app live on App Store, downloadable by anyone in the world. If you're finished building Flutter app and you want to put it up here, then this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through each and every step. It will be a real app live. So without wasting further time, let's go. Before we dive into uploading apps to App Store, you need to have these things or else you'll be on a dead stop. Number one is you need to have a MacBook. There are ways to upload otherwise, but if you have it, it's a very easy way. Next is you need to install Xcode. Now Xcode, the size is pretty big. It will take you some time, but you need to have that installed. Third is having a developer account. So without having a developer account, you will not be able to distribute it. You can develop apps just for testing, but for distributing, you need to have a developer account. The fourth one is you need to have a proper bundle ID. And I will show you in the coming steps how to create bundle ID and how to format it in a proper way. And the fifth one is you need to have an app icon. Without an app icon, how are you even planning to upload your apps to App Store? Just a disclaimer, the Apple account costs around $99 in 2026. I'm not sure in future if you're watching this, it might cost more, but currently it costs that much. There are no free trials, so you will need to purchase that. So I'm assuming that you already have MacBook and Xcode installed in your device. Now the next thing what we'll be looking at is the bundle ID. We'll be registering the bundle ID so that our apps can be pushed to App Store. In order to do that, you need to open developer.apple.com. In here, you will need to go to Certificates, Identifiers and Profiles. Click on the identifier and then the plus button. The format, you can keep it like your name or your company name and then your app name. This registered bundle ID needs to be same as that in your Flutter app. So you need to check in your Xcode and make sure that that bundle ID exists exactly the same. And this is very important. You need to make sure that not even a single character is misplaced, because later on it will not be able to sync properly and you'll not be able to upload it to App Store. Next is we'll be creating an app in Apple Store Connect. Now also I'm assuming that you have purchased your Apple developer account. If you don't know how to do that, it's very simple. You just need to log into developer account. I'll share the link here, and then there you have to create your account and purchase the account. So next we're going to concentrate on is how to create an app in App Store Connect. So in order for you to be able to upload to App Store, you need to create an app in App Store Connect. In order to do that, you have to go to this link that I am sharing, appstoreconnect.apple.com, and then sign in with your developer account, and then you have to click plus button, and then when you select the new app option, there you just add in whatever details you require, and remember to add in the bundle ID that we created earlier, and then that's it. You have created your app. If you're confused about what SQ is supposed to mean, it's basically just an internal reference. You don't have to think so hard on that. I would normally just put in the app name here. Once you have created the app, we are next going to go into your screenshots, description, pricing, age rating, everything. So in app information, I've already added the title, the subtitle, the category and everything. But you do have to click on all the things that's on the left hand side, go through each of them and fill one by one. Now I am not going to go and dive into each of them because for your particular app it might be totally different. So you need to fill in your app privacy, your pricing and availability, and whatever app information that you require for your app. Now once you have everything ready, including the screenshots, because screenshots needs to be super precisely of that size. So what I did was I used Canva, and there I put in the screenshot, the exact dimension that they have mentioned, and I added my screenshot and adjust accordingly. Now we are going to dive into the fun part, which is your Flutter project. So once we get it into your Flutter project, so we are going to go into your pubspec.yml file, and there, if you see here, this is the version. So basically what that does is you have 1.0.0 and +1. So +1 is the build number and 1.0.0 is the version number. So in App Store, the build number needs to be greater all the time. So let's say, for example, if this build that you're uploading is build 1, in the next build, you need to increment it to build 2, even if the version stays the same. But nowadays, App Store is automatically updating it for you. But I mean, just to keep track, do update it yourself so that you have an understanding that in this version, this push happened. Now, once that is done, we are going to open Xc workspace in Xcode. Okay, we are going to open that file. Just make sure that you don't open the Xcode project file, because that is totally different. You need to open Xc workspace. Why? Because it's a processed file for you, so it has everything intact there. Now the next thing is the app icon, right, that I mentioned earlier. So I am going to refer you to one link which is called appicon.co, and this is what I personally use. I just upload my icon here and it will automatically put out all the icons possible for all the screen sizes for both Android and iOS. So I personally use this. It's totally free. And once that is done, I take that asset file and I just paste it in Xcode. Now I hope everything is done, and if so, the next part is finally uploading your file to App Store. In order to do that, you have to go to Xcode and you need to archive. Now there are two ways of doing it. One is through Xcode and one is through Flutter. You can choose any path. In Flutter, you have to use like Flutter build IPA. But in Xcode, I normally choose Xcode, and there you just need to click on archive and that will do the trick. So once you have the archive ready, you need to click on distribute app, and then you need to click on App Store Connect. But I mean, if you just want to put it out for testing, you can also click on test flight. But since we are doing uploading to App Store, I'm choosing the first one. It's gonna take some minutes, and once that is done, it will show a success message, as you can see in the screen. So once the app is ready, you will be seeing a screen like this where there'll be some missing compliant. Okay, since I don't have anything related with encryption, I'm choosing none, and then I'm going ahead. So as you can see, I got an error where it is saying I must upload for 13-inch iPad. So for that reason, I mean, right now I am not supporting any other devices. I'm just supporting iPhone. So I'm just doing that. I'm just removing all the devices apart from iPhone, and then I am archiving it again, and then I'm uploading it again. Now you have everything ready, and now the last thing that's left is you need to go through each of them on the left hand side, the age rating, and also you need to add in your support URL, and like if there's any kind of thing that is missing, the App Store will point it out for you, but gradually you will have to fill them up. So you need to fill all these things. Once everything that is in red is fixed, you are good to go. Now once everything is done, you need to click on add for review and submit your app for review. And yes, that's it. So I hope this tutorial was a little easy to follow. Of course, if the App Store guys, they think that there's something wrong with your app and they reject your app, which in my case they did. So I had to again reply back with whatever things that they had questions on. I had to reply back with that, including a video of the app. Now it totally depends on app to app. Like the app for Align, for that I didn't have to do anything. They approved it right away because I shipped it in a single screen and they didn't have any other questions apart from that. But for habit tracking app, which is Adat, like it has a lot of screens, lots of functionalities. So the App Store reviewers, they were actually confused, I think, and they wanted a proper walkthrough in a video form. So that can happen to you as well. And I would always suggest that if you can push your app in the most minimal version, just push it first, because approving it will take some time, will take some to and fro, because they will not push your app to App Store until and unless all the questions are clarified. Still, if you face some issue or if you have some doubt on any steps, let me know in the comments below and I will look into that. Also, should I create a tutorial on how to upload apps to Play Store? So let me know in the comments below. This is part of my 90 days challenge, and subscribe to see more to come. Thanks for watching. See you.